Okay, this week I was shopping for a home projector, but I don't want to spend too much money on it. So what I did, I look on Temu and I find one for less than 30 bucks Canadian money before tax. So I hope this guy is going to be not too bad for the house, but perfect for outside. So let's look at it. So let's look at the box. You can see everything to put on the with support and everything. Okay, let's look at it. Let's look inside to see what exactly we have. So like that. And the other side. Connection cable, power supply, remote control. Let's see if the batteries are included. Nope, no battery. And we need 2 AAA. Let's do that after. Let's look at the machine. Okay, this guy is small. Oh my god, really small. Oh, look at that. User manual 2. Here. Okay, you can look at it before test it. You have your connection in the back. Here you have the switch for the power and everything, and on the side, if you need to adjust the lens, manual. And I'm not sure, I think the speaker is on this side here. I'm not sure. The size of the projector, so when you project on the wall, it's going to be 24" by 60". And this this home projector is HD. So what we said HD is 1920 by 1080 of resolution. Okay, let's do the test. It's almost pitch black here. Okay, what I did, I installed everything. I put it on. I put battery inside the remote. I installed 2 stick on the side to watch a movie and show you at the same time the quality of the picture. What I did, I put it on the side of the wall. My frame, my TV frame is about 40". They said it start at 24 and it finish at 60, so 40" is not that bad. I'm going to close the light. I'm going to turn the camera, and I'm going to show you at the same time the quality of the picture at the same time. Wait, et voila. Let me turn the camera. Well, you can see all some square, so that's going to be like pixel, but the pixel you can see it perfectly. But you know, for 30 bucks, what exactly you want? For sure this guy it's not the same thing if you pay $4 or $5 or $700 for 30 bucks. That's before tax. This is what you have for the money. Let's put a movie. You want to see the quality of the picture at the same time. Et voila. That's going to be the good, the bad, and the ugly. When you're going to start, I don't know when. Resume play, yes. The quality of the sound, it's garbage, I really tell you. Okay, so this for sure, this is not HD. What exactly you can do with this home projector? You can watch movie, you can listen to music, you can watch some picture, and you can watch some text at the same time. That's going to be your choice. If you want to spend $700 or $30 on Temu and put it outside and do some karaoke, this guy here is going to be perfect. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to watch the next one, and see you in another one.